Some customer may need some bundle packaging service. The customer, they order each separate product from their own supplier, and they ask supplier to ship this component to our warehouse, and we will do the repackaging work, and we will consolidate different products into like a set, and we can help customer to order the packagings like the stickers and the bags and also some packaging material. But some customer may worried about the coordination with the supplier because they need to coordinate the shipping time with suppliers. If the supplier ships the goods to our warehouse earlier, there will be a large storage fee. So some customer may consider to ask them to purchase the products for them because we are Chinese and their suppliers are Chinese. So it is easier for our Chinese to contact the Chinese suppliers and to coordinate the shipping with the supplier, and we can save the storage fee for customers. Normally for such order, they will be shipped out like a whole container. That's the final customer no need to repack these products in their destination country because this can save their labor cost and also the time. To doing this kind of work can also help save the custom taxes because when they ship each component in the container, they declared in another way. But when they declare the whole product as a site, the custom taxes is reduced. Normally, such bundle packaging cost is about $1 to $2.